Hiring the right person shouldn't feel like a guessing game, but sometimes off-the-shelf tests don't line up perfectly with your job description. That's where we come in. If our standard assessments aren't quite the right fit, no worries. We can build a custom test just for you. You've got 3 great options. First, you can share questions your team already uses in interviews or training, or we can pull from our own question bank, whether it's job skills, cognitive aptitude, or behavioral traits. Your third option is a mix of both your questions and ours. We'll take those questions and turn them into a test tailored just for your job opening. It's quick, painless, and super effective. In fact, we help customers do this all the time. The result? You get a more accurate, role-specific view of each candidate's abilities because the test is designed around your needs, not just a generic role. So, if you're thinking, I wish this test was just a little more specific to our job, we've got you. Just tell us what kind of skills, traits, or behaviors you're trying to measure, and we'll take it from there. Before you know it, you'll have a test that's practically built to order and ready to roll. Let's make hiring smarter and way less stressful.